What's up guys, here's Claude from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to install skills on Claude AI, and the best part, how to humanize text using this skill. First thing, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your Google and type GitHub Claude AI Humanizer. Find this guy right here, the Blader Humanizer. It's a great public Git about humanizing AI text. There is some amazing instructions right here. And after you read this, you can go to code, this green button, scroll down and download the .zip, okay? After downloading this file, all you have to do is go to your Claude AI, review the left sidebar of menus and find personalize or customize. This one right here. Then we have connectors and skills. I'm gonna move to skills. We have a skill creator. Okay, there is a guide for creating skills. You can create on your own, but next to the search icon there is this plus icon to add skill. Click on it. You can browse the skills in the case that you want. There is amazing skills right here, or you can create a skill. You can create with Claude. Claude can help you to create the skill. You can write the skill instructions or upload a skill. I'm gonna upload the skill, the easier way. You can upload in .md or .zip, okay? Click on drag and files, select the skill that you just have downloaded, click on open, and here is my skill already working. Upload the Humanizer. And you can, into the upper right corner of your screen, turn the skill on or off, okay? And you can see all the skill instructions by code or by text normally, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget that in the case that you do not like the skill and want to delete, you can review the upper right corner of your screen, click into these three little dots and uninstall the skill. You can replace, you can edit, you can try a shot or uninstall. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.